1, 2, 3, action. Okay, so 6 times 1, of course I know that's 6. 6 times 2, I think it's 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4. Having a hard time memorizing it? Okay, 6 times 4. Uh-oh. So are you guys having a hard time memorizing the multiplication table? And hey guys, welcome back for another learning video. If you want to learn the multiplication table of 6, well, you came to the right video because I'm gonna teach the multiplication table of 6. But before that, as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button and slap that bell to never miss out another video. Leave a like, and please, if you do like this video, you can just share it with your friends. But without much further ado, it's time to do the multiplication table of 6. Intro, pasok! Hi! Welcome to Soy TV! So last time we did multiplication table of 3 and we promised you to do 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in this video, I am going to do multiplication table of 6. So if you actually learned the 3 times table, which I shared on my previous blog, it will be easy for you to learn the 6 times table trick. Because it's just kind of much like it. Yet if you have no idea about the 3 times table, I'll leave a link in the description below. just there below. Just there. It's just there. After that, come back here. Now let's start the 6 time multiplication table. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, so let's start the 6 times table. So yeah, I was like, you gotta put the intro down. We gotta put the intro, the Learning Math with Soy TV. That Learning Math with Soy TV intro. Come on down, come on down. So let's start by making again tic-tac-toe grids. But this time we needed 2 of them. So next we will be writing 1 to 9, starting from the left bottom corner going up. So let's start. Again, from the left bottom corner going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But guys, do you still remember where we put the 0? That's right. Outside the box, near 7. Next, we will do the same thing on the other grid. Remember, the bottom left corner going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, 0 outside the box near 7. There we go. We are done with the numbers of the place value 1. Now let's proceed with the numbers for the place value 10. But this time, we will be doing it by rows. Again, we will call it top, middle, and bottom row. So let's start with the top row. Here, we will be writing 0 from left to right. So let's start. 0, 0, 0. For the middle row, we're gonna be writing 1 again from left to right. 1, 1, 1. Okay, so for the bottom row, we are going to be writing 2. So let's start. 2, 2, 2. But what about the 0? We will be writing 3 for the 0. So we're gonna do the same thing on the second grid, but this time we're starting with 3. So let's write 3, 3, 3. And for the middle row, we are gonna write 4, 4, 4. And lastly, from the bottom row, we are going to write 5. So let's do it. 5, 5, 5. And what about the 0? Yes, you are right. It's 6. Great job! And for the last step, we will be doing what I call diamond. Here's how we do it. We are going to draw a line forming like a diamond on both tic-tac-toe grids. Notice those numbers with circles on it? Those are actually the products for the 6 times table. So let's get the number from the top. Let's start from the top. 6. Middle, 12 and 18. For the bottom, 24 and don't forget the 30. For the second grid, the top, 36. For the middle, 42 and 48. And for the bottom row, 54 and the final number, 60! And there you have it, guys, the 6-time table. So let's recite the multiplication table of 6. Come on, say it with me, guys. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 10, you guessed it, 60. And that is the multiplication table of 6. You guys are awesome. Great job! Some tips and tricks today, guys. Until next time for our new learn. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and again, hit that bell. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you have a soulful day.